now we are welcome with the 7 word. Is the vocabulary of 7 word in the kitchen. Yeah. So, do you can read the word?
Yeah.
What?
Cleaver.
Yeah, number 1, cleaver.
Ladle.
Ladle. Peppermill. Bowl for put food, alright. Yeah. Teaspoon. Blender. And the last glass. Yeah. So now we review the word is 7 word. So now the time is spelling word. Yeah. So start from number 1 is cleaver. Peppermill. P-E-P-P-E-R-M-I-L-L. Bowl. B-O-W-L. Teaspoon. T-E-A-S-P-O-O-N. Blender. B-L-E-N-D-E-R. And the last is class.
What do you mean class?
Glass, not class. Classroom is one glass.
Yeah.
For put the water to drink. Yeah. Glass. G-L-A-S-S. Yeah. So now the time to review and spelling finish. And then the time is to play the fun game.
Yeah.
So find the word in the puzzle. So now, do you see some word already or not yet?
I see only cleaver.
Cleaver.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, now up to
And I
you.
see peppermill.
Now this time I want you to choose yourself. It means you can choose the word by yourself and then you circle. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now I provide the time for you. Now you can use that marker, the blue marker, to circle. Okay, now up to you. What you see? Teaspoon? Yeah, please circle the teaspoon. Yeah, teaspoon. Start with letter T, finish with letter N. Yeah, teaspoon. Spelling again. T-E-A-S-P-O-O-N. And the next, what you see?
See, I told you when I played that game, it made me feel good.
Yeah.
Peppermill.
Oh, peppermill, you already see? Okay. Please circle. Peppermill. Start with letter P, finish with letter L.
I always
Yeah. So spell it again.
take.
Yeah, now you take 4 teaspoon and peppermill. Yeah. So now spelling peppermill again. P-E-P-P-E-R-M-I-L-L. And the next, you mean? And the next, what you see? What you already see?
I think I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Wait, what's the cleaver?
Cleaver. Okay, see cleaver. So please see called the cleaver that start with letter C, finish with letter R. Yeah. Cleaver. No problem. So now spelling again. Cleaver. C L E A V with letter L, finish with letter E. So spelling again. L A B L E. And now ball, do you see or not? I see.
How?
Here, B O U L.
Yeah.
Okay, please circle the ball. Let's start with letter B. Yeah, finish with letter L. So spelling
B O W
B-O-W-L. And then the name is, please take. And the name is the
This is so fun.
blender.
B-L.
Blender. Where is the blender? I see. I already see. Letter B. I see letter B, B-L. Blender. Okay, correct. Blender start with letter B, finish with letter R. So spelling again.
B-L-E-N-D-E-R.
Yeah, you already text.
Yeah.
And the last one is glass. Glass start with letter G. Do you see the glass?
No.
G. No. Letter G. Yeah. G L. Oh, I see. You see another? Here. G-L-A. Double S. Yeah. Yeah, glass start with letter G, finish with letter S. So, take and spelling again. G-L-A-S-S. Yeah, the glass. So, the fun game we already found the word in the puzzle game.
Easy.
And now, starting you again. Cleaver. Ladle. Peppermill. Bowl. Teaspoon. Blender. And the last one is glass. Yeah. Okay, and the last is the glass. So, our word is done. And now, say thank you so much for everyone for watching our video. Thank you for watching.
And comment
Okay.
down below if we say wrong. We say sorry.
Yeah. Comment down. Comment below our video for recommend for my mistake something in the video. And then thank you so much. Bye bye.